Now we do baby drop back. So take your feet. So the widest hip width, so just even slightly wider than the hip width. Toes slightly turned out. Okay, hands in prayer. Okay, so really anchor yourself. So push your feet into the floor. Strong feet, strong legs. Imagine you have a yoga block between your thighs. Keep squeezing this yoga block. Okay, squeeze your pelvic floor. Squeeze your tummy muscle, abdominal muscle. Then keep lifting your chest. Okay, so breastbone up. Lift your breastbone. You lift so much you look to the ceiling, drop the head. Okay, either stay here, or if you want, you can take your hands to the forehead. Lift your elbows as high as you can and stay. Strong legs, tummy tucked in. And come back. Okay, release.